Well, it's October 8th, and I just finished wiring it, and I put oil in it. I used some synthetic oil. Put some oil in it, and I put 2 quarts of hydraulic oil in it, which is really, I don't know, 20/50, whatever they recommend. So that should be enough to keep the pump from burning up. I got the key in it. All I have to do now is add a little gas and start it. And then basically I haven't finished running all the wiring or zip tied anything. Just kind of going to see if it runs, and we're going to see how many leaks I have. So I'm kind of excited about this. Starting to rain, not happy about that, but not much I can do about it. It should be enough gas. There's a little screen in the bottom of the tank, which I don't like. I wish it was just, there was no screen in it, and it just folds straight into the gas line. Because if that screen gets plugged, you're kind of dicked, and that's what your filter's for anyway. Well, I don't have the cables hooked up, so choke fully on. There's the throttle. Here she goes. Might want to put the hydraulic trap on. Okay, here it goes. See if we're getting the gas up that line. Get the gas. Huh. It's gotten gas. The gas sucked all the way up to the filter. What did I do wrong? Crap. Sounds like a spark problem. Like I'm not getting any spark, but in here and see if I can see any gas. Boy, is that complicated. Son of a bitch. Can't even get to the top of the carburetor. I don't think it has an automatic shut off if the gas is all the way down. Well, back to the drawing board, son of a bitch. And it wasn't getting any spark. I still haven't figured out why. I thought I had it wired right. I got a spark tester hooked up to it now. So now, I rewired one of the wires. Now we're getting a little spark, so. Okay, I can hear the solenoid on the carburetor engaging and disengaging, so that's good. Theoretically, it could start now. Theoretically.
any throttle, so it's at low idle. But I'm pretty happy. Okay, I hooked up the throttle cable. I'll try to give her a little more gas. Seems to work. Well, it's Sunday the 13th, and I didn't get much done on the tractor, but if you look at the garage, it's been cleaned up. I invited a girl over for a date, gave her a broom, told her to start working, because that's how I roll. Tractor's looking pretty good. I still have not attached the hood. I do have it leveled how I want it, and I just have to take some measurements. So, and I got a few other things to put on, you know, the panel on the column there, but everything else is looking good. So, she runs when you choke it. So the sticker should be for the hood. I will put on as soon as I mount it, and I still have to shorten the throttle cable you see right there in the gas line. It has to be shortened, and I bought LED bulbs to put in the front end, so I'll mount the, I still got to put the hose on that too. But other than that, she's running good. I've taken her on a couple of small rides, and it's working pretty well. The end is in sight, I think. Okay, I'd like to show you the LED bulbs I ordered off Amazon. You can see here that's the stock 1156 bulb, and that is the LED bulb, and it fits in there nice. It's going to have enough clearance. Here's what it looks like. It's got LEDs all around. Now, I did try cleaning. I didn't buff them or anything, but I tried cleaning out the lenses here, and they're not very shiny anymore. I'm assuming they were shiny when they were new, but they are not now, and you're being all dirty and somewhat pitted and just not glossy anymore. You're going to be losing a lot of light. Now, I was thinking about buying a can of the cheap chrome, you know, Rust-Oleum spray paint, and wondering if I scuff these up a little and maybe even prime it with an etching primer, if that would make them shiny, if it would increase the light outputage. Not really sure. Let me know what you think. I may or may not try it, or it's something I can do next summer. And I'm not sure how bright these bulbs even are. I mean, seriously, these things were like $7 a piece, so I probably can't expect too much out of them. But I know once I put them in, I'm not gonna have to change them for a while, because the LEDs do last forever. And the main reason I did it was I want to draw as little amperage as possible coming off the battery and motor, because when I put the cab on, I would like to outfit it with LED driving or flood type lights. So basically I want these to work, but I guess for right now it'll probably be fine for this season, since I'm not gonna have the cab on this year, and I will be snow blowing with it this year. So I guess we'll just see how they go. I hope they work all right. I don't really have any way to test them other than take them out in the garage and hook them up. So we'll see how they work.